What's going on, guys? Today's video we're going to be programming a new LiftMaster garage remote. So we already got one remote that works for this garage, and the resident would like a second remote. So you got two ways of doing it. You can come up here, press the learn button at the top at the actual unit itself to program it. So if you're going to go that route, you just press the orange button or the yellow button, press release it, and then the light will stay on for 30 seconds. And you just press your remote, and you should either get the light flashing or 2 clicks. Otherwise, come over to the unit here on the wall, and this is the way I'm going to do it. And as you can see right now, the remote that I have, it's not doing anything. On this one here, what you do is press learn once, it will flash, then you press it again, and then you just hold the button on the remote till you either get 2 clicks or the light flash. So let's see what happens here. All right, there's our light flash. So now our remote should work. That's it. Pretty simple. That's how you program a LiftMaster remote. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.